Hi, this is Andy. In this video, I'll show you how to record voice on iPhone using Bluedot. To record your voice on iPhone, open the free app from Bluedot and press the Start button. After that, you can conduct your call, your in-person meeting, or record a lecture, an event, or anything at all. And if you want to get the recording result, press the pause button, then save, and Bluedot will analyze your audio file. And here's what your audio recording will look like after using Bluedot. You can listen back to the recording in full. Also, Bluedot generates an AI summary for you. Here you can find an overview, action items, and topics. Bluedot lets you change the note template, and you can choose, for example, key takeaways. And Bluedot will generate a new AI summary for you that fits this template. Also, Bluedot generates a full transcript of the recording for you. Bluedot identifies the speakers, and if needed, you can change their names, and they'll change throughout the transcript. You can change the language the transcript is displayed in and translate it into more than 100 languages. You can also copy it and share this recording with colleagues, and provide access to this recording via a link. Try recording voice on iPhone yourself using Bluedot. It's free.